Traders, we are looking at gold on the weekly time frame. So it's traded down into a key level here. Just mark that up, and then we'll go down to the lower time frames and we'll look at a possible trade idea. So gold on the weekly level of support. Okay, bearish. We've got this retrace. I'm just going to measure it on the Fibonacci. See how it's pulled into the 61.8. I think my bias might be looking for a buy opportunity. Let's go down and have a look at it on the lower time frames. See how it shapes up on the daily. Yeah, you want to wait for the setup. It's dropped right into this daily bullish accumulation candle, and I would assume that this is soaking up stops that are resting under here. It's tapped into it. It hasn't really spent much time in here. We'll just mark that up as a liquidity pool. Stops under here have been raided, and now we've bounced off this level. So you want to go down to the lower time frame and look and see how this is shaping up. Now, potential targets, if we look to buy this, will be target above this previous high, and then we just look at these levels here and beyond. You can see. Let's go down to the 4H and see what that looks like. Before we do, I'll just mark up this daily. So we've got this range in between this orange and yellow line at the moment that we're looking at. So on the 4H, yeah, be a little bit careful because it's trading back into resistance here. So, we could see this roll over before we see any upside. You want to be very, very careful. So at the moment, this could sell. But I tell you what, this is what I'm going to be waiting for here. We've got this low. This is a key level right here. So, we can double up. This is the 4H and daily nested level here. Notice this thin candle. The next port of call is going to be, this red candle under here. That would be a target. So this red candle prior to this move here, we've got this significant imbalance. So if we pick up the candle on the left, candles on the right, pull this all the way through. Yeah, so we've got this void under here that could be a target. I'm bullish on the daily. However, the 4 hours giving me another story. My bias is mainly influenced by the daily, more so than the lower time frames. So the thing that I'm going to be looking for, if I'm bullish on the daily, would be something like this. I would like to see price come back down, revisit, possibly crack this level, and then we get a trade. But just be really careful. Look, you could possibly short that given that it's trading into resistance, and then look for a buy opportunity if this sets up. So what needs to set up under here would be this kind of price action. By the way, guys, click the links below. I've done a video on how I scalp the XAUUSD, how I scalp or day trade gold on a 15-minute on a lower time frame. You'll find the link below. Will take you to my link tree, and then to YouTube, and just search gold scalp on my YouTube channel, and you'll come across it. All right. So what I would need to see here, is basically that. You want to look for this kind of price action where it possibly ranges down in here, like so. And then you get, a bit of a range, then the break, and the break above. Okay, I've got a couple of drawings going on there. I'll just get rid of this one. But that's the kind of thing that I'm looking for. So you want to see it hold here. You want to see a bit of a double bottom setup. Let's just go down and have a look at it on the hourly. I want to see the double bottom. In other words, this, that makes sense to me. Trades down in, a double bottom and a spike below. That would definitely get me interested in a buy, something like that. And the buy would be, obviously, we've got this range, if it shapes up, it would be the trade back out. So you're looking at entering long on this pullback, retest and fail of the high, something like that. You could get in earlier. All you need to do is wait for the setup on a lower time frame, 3-minute, 5-minute chart, and you want to see a similar price action setting up, liquidity run under, and then we're off to the races, or something like that. Now, if this fails to set up as such, in other words, we don't see higher highs, higher lows forming, then that could trend lower. So you just got to wait for the market to invite you in, wait for the setup. Okay, guys, that's my take on gold at the moment. I'll be waiting for that, see if it shapes up for a buy, and that could be quite significant. I'd love to hear your comments. Check out my links below. The Linktree has got a lot of information in there that you'll find really interesting, like a free 30-day trial offer. Okay guys, with that, have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.